welcome to proChem Academy. Today I will discuss another important topic of class 11, and it is also important for the jointedness and the NEET examination. Okay, that is the Cis-trans and EZ nomenclature. And this Cis-trans and EZ nomenclature is only applicable for the double bonded compounds, not the triple bonded, not the single bonded. Okay, so let's see. If we take a compound like this, which is double bonded, we know this is the double bond, and here one bond is sigma and another one is pi. Now the groups which are attached with this double bond, that means the carbon, these two are the carbon. Now the groups which are attached with these carbons, on the basis of that we will see the Cis-trans and EZ nomenclature. Now first of all we will start the Cis-trans nomenclature. Cis-trans nomenclature, and it is very easy if you see the total video. If you see the total video, then it will be very easy for you and you can easily do that. Okay, so just I am taking two groups which are attached with this carbon. Carbon has 4 hands. Now in this carbon we have already drawn 2 bonds here, 1 and 2. Now I have already drawn another 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the valence is already filled up here. Now I am putting 2 groups here. Say one is hydrogen and one is chlorine, and here I am putting another 2 bonds. One is chlorine, another one is hydrogen. Now if we see properly, this compound can be written in another way, like this. So you can see these two compounds having same molecular formula. That means the molecular formula, number of carbon, number of chlorine, number of hydrogens are same, but their structures are different. That means these two are the isomer of each other. Now what kind of isomer? It is the cis-trans isomer. Now how will you recognize which one is cis, which one is trans? Simple rule is there. When two similar groups are in the same site of a double bond, it is cis. When two same groups are in the same side of a double bond, it is cis. And when two same group are in opposite side of the double bond, opposite portion of the double bond, it will be trans. Okay, so what is cis? Cis means same group, okay, at the same site of double bond. Okay, it is cis. Now trans means same group at the opposite side. It is trans. Now you see, you follow these two compound. This is number 1 compound, this is number 2 compound. Now if you follow this one, then you will see that 2 chlorine are in the opposite direction of the 2 carbon. Here this chlorine attached here only, and this chlorine attached in the opposite direction. So here 2 carbons which are attached with the double bond having same group in the opposite direction, not in the same direction. So it is trans. It is trans. Okay, this is very simple. Now here you see these two group are in the same side of a double bond. Okay, so 2 chlorine which are same group, and these are in the same side of the double bond. So it is cis. Okay, cis means same side, trans means opposite side. Now I am taking another example. Okay, CH3 Br. Here CH3 Br. Here 2 CH3 group are in the same side and 2 bromine are in the same side, that means top side and the bottom side. So this is the cis nomenclature. These 2 methyl group are in cis to each other. Okay, so it is cis nomenclature. And here if I draw like this, then you can see these 2 methyl group are in opposite direction, so it is trans. Okay, and if you don't know, if you have to remember this cis-trans nomenclature properly, otherwise you cannot go to the EZ also. And if we want to do the dipole moment concept, okay, in there also we will see this Cis-trans nomenclature. Okay, so this portion is very important. Now start the EZ nomenclature. Okay, now it is completely similar to the cis-trans, but somehow it is there will be some changes in the cis-trans nomenclature, and that will be called as EZ nomenclature. Okay, now let's start. And it will be also applicable for the double bonded compound, not any triple bonded, not any single bonded. Okay, so those compounds which are unsaturated, which are double bonded, in those cases the EZ and cis-trans nomenclature will be applicable. Now we'll start the EZ nomenclature. Okay, now before starting we have to know what is the meaning of E and what is the meaning of Z. E means entgegen, that means opposite to each other, which is equal to far apart. That means when two groups which are joined with two carbons in a double bond, and they are completely opposite direction to each other, that means far apart from each other, in those cases that will be E. Okay, now if two groups are close to each other, okay, now here the Z meaning zusammen, it means close. So when two similar groups in a CIP rule close to each other, it will be called as Z. Okay, now we will take the example. Now here we can again say that far apart means opposite, that means it is trans. So in cis-trans, the compound which is trans, it will be E. The compound which is trans, it will be E, and compound which is Z, it will be cis. Okay, now this nomenclature we will do by another rule. Okay, now this is very important for also your JEE and NEET, and the degree course students can also see this. Okay, now I have taken this compound, now I put two groups. Okay, here one is CH3, here one is iodine. Okay, here bromine, here chlorine. CH3, chlorine, iodine, bromine. Now how to do this? First of all, we will see the one side carbon here. Pick this carbon first and now see the groups attached with it. Now here the first iodine having atomic number higher than this CH3 group. So in the priority order we will see the first atomic number. So in the priority order, iodine will come first, then this CH3. So we'll write here iodine as A and CH3 as B, because the atomic number of carbon is less than the iodine. So the priority order will be given to that atom or that group which is having higher atomic number. So here in this iodine has more atomic number than the carbon, so it will get A and it will get B. Now here also we'll see this one, this carbon. Now here the atomic number of bromine is 35 and chlorine is 17. So it will get A dashed, it will get B dashed. Like that we will number, so it will be easy. Now you see two similar groups A and A dashed. These two are similar, so these are opposite to each other. These two groups are opposite to each other, so it is according to rule opposite far apart E. So it is nothing but E isomer. The nomenclature will be E. Now here we will do the same thing. Okay, pick this carbon. Bromine is A, chlorine is B. Okay, always it is not that you have to write A and B. You can write 1, 2 like that. Okay, so this one is A, this one is B, and here also this one is A dashed, this one is B dashed. Now two same group are in the same side of a double bond, so it is Z. Okay, it is Z nomenclature, it is E nomenclature. Okay, now I will take another example so that you will get it properly. Just another example I will take. So I think you have enjoyed the video. So if you not subscribe my channel, then do subscribe and click the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video you will get the notification. Okay, let's take another example. I am taking here phenyl group, here C2H5 group, here methyl group, here hydrogen. Here also pH, here C2H5, here hydrogen, here chlorine. Now sorry, CH3, this one is CH3. Now say the nomenclature. Here pH here C2H5. So the phenyl, that means benzene ring, will have the more priority other than the ethyl group. So it will be A, and it is the ethyl group, it is B. Okay, and here also this methyl group having higher priority order, so it is A dash, it is B dash. So here this A and A dash both are similar group opposite to each other, that means it is E. And here also I have already written here E, cause it is A, it is B, it is A dash, it is B dash. Okay, so A and A dash opposite to each other, here also it will be E. Okay, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then do subscribe and please hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video, you will get the notification. Thank you.